write. Can you read it, Vamsi? Can you read this paragraph fully? Dear Mike, I want you to I want you to read it.
Dear Mike, I am sorry you example could not come to my party yesterday. John 41. Me, you and a very bad cold, and you 42. To stay in bed. 43. You feeling better now? It was very good party. Nicest I have ever had. Lots of my friends there, and they gave some lovely presents. I will tell more about the party when you come school Monday. Allow.
Super. I am sorry, the example that I have filled one, you could not come to my party yesterday. John dash, you have to fill it in. We will talk about it. John dash me, you had a very bad cold and you dash to stay in bed. Dash, you feeling better now. It was dash very good party. Dash nicest I have ever had. Lots of my friends dash there and they gave dash some lovely presents. I will tell dash more about the party when you come dash school dash Monday. Okay, here is what it is. You have to fill it with one word, correct word. The first example, I am sorry, you could not come. They have given the example. Now, I'm sorry you could not come to my party yesterday. John dash me, you had a very bad cold. Take some few seconds and give me the answer for 41. Only one word can come. What is that word? Any idea? John dash me, you had a very, very bad cold and dash to stay in bed.
Sir. You, that is you.
Here, John
You,
dash me. Think through that. John, you write it down in your notebook. Try to fill it in. John dash me, you had a very bad cold. I'm sorry you could not come to my party yesterday. John dash me, you had a very bad cold. Any idea, Vinay? Only one
John
word.
is.
John dash me, you had a very bad cold. You have to understand the entire paragraph to answer it. I'm sorry you could not come to my party yesterday. Jan dash me, you had a very bad cold. And you dash to stay in bed. Dash if
John
you
is.
give me like
John is me.
40 to 43. Anything if you want, like whatever you can find, whatever you can get it. 41, what is that? 42, one word. 43, another word. Go for it, Vamsi. I can help you with the first exercise now. I can help you with that. John told me you had a very bad cold. John told me you had a very bad cold and you had to stay in bed. Are you feeling better now? Write it down. Please write it down. I am sorry you could not come to my party yesterday. John told me you had a very bad cold and you had to stay in bed. Are you feeling better now? Quickly write it down, first paragraph, because you have to speak in the audio. You have to tell because your reading is also a little bit weak. It was dash very good party. What is 44? Vamsi. It was dash very good party. Only one word you have to do. Try
It
that.
was a very good party.
It was a very good party. Very nice. 44 is A. It was a very
Yeah.
good party. Super. 45. Try 45. Dash the nicest.
and nicest.
And
It was
nicest.
very good party. Try that because you have a semicolon there. Look at the semicolon. It was a very good party. The nicest I have ever had. The nicest I have ever had. All right. Lots of my friends Try that 46. Lots of my friend.
My friends are there
My
and
friends,
they gave. Are.
Careful, because it happened yesterday. It happened yesterday. Look at that. I am sorry you could not come to my party yesterday. Yesterday, John told me you had a very bad cold and you had to stay in bed. Are you feeling better now? It was a very good party, the nicest I have ever had. Lots of my friends were there. WERE, were. Lots of my friends were there and they gave 47. They gave Dash some lovely presents. Try that 47. What could be
They
47?
gave, they gave you some lovely presents.
They gave not yeah some. Yeah and some will not come together, right? Yeah is one, some is many. They
Okay,
gave
sir.
Dash some lovely presents. Try that 47. Try. What could be? You have to write down the entire paragraph in your notebook because otherwise you will forget this. And also, like you have to read it out in the audio recording. They gave Dash some lovely presents. Try that.
They gave feeling some lovely presents.
No, they gave me. They gave me some lovely presents. Okay, they gave me some lovely presents. I will tell Dash more about the party. I will tell Dash more about the party. Simple word, only simple word.
I will tell the.
You have to read the whole thing. I will tell Dash more about the party when you come Dash school Dash Monday. I will tell you more about the party when you come to school on Monday. Wow. Now, Vinay, with the answer you read it. I'm going to read it now, but you have to capture it, you have to read it. I'm sorry, you could not come to my party yesterday. John told me you had a very bad cold and you had to stay in bed. Are you feeling better now? It was a very good party, the nicest I have ever had. Lots of my friends were there and they gave me some lovely presents. I will tell you more about the party when you come to school on Monday. On Monday. Now, who is going to read it with the answer? Vinay or Ramsey? Quick.
Come to school on Monday.
No, you read the whole thing. I am sorry with the answer. Read it, Vinay. I am sorry. Read
More
it.
about the part. More
No,
about
dear
the
Mike,
party when you come.
dear Mike, read from this. I have answered everything. Dear Mike, you come out with the answer. Dear Mike, read it.
Dear Mike, I am sorry you,
Could not.
example, could not come to my party yesterday. John Dash, me, you
Yeah,
had
yeah,
a
fill
very
it up.
bad.
I told you now. I told you the answer, right? You have to fill it up. Vamsi, you remember? I told the answer.
John told me you had a very bad cold.
Yeah, very good. Keep going. Keep going.
John told me you had a very bad cold and you
Had to stay in bed. Had to write it. If you don't write, you will forget it. You have to. You have to write it. You have to stay in bed. Keep going. 43. 43.
to stay in bed.
43. You guys have to write it down. Otherwise it will be a waste. Whatever we teach, isn't it? So much you have to do. Vamsi, do you remember what I said? 43. You have a pen and paper, right? You have a pen and notebook, right? You have it, right? Do you have pen? Can you write it down? Can you write it down?
yes, sir.
Yeah, read it out. I am sorry you could not come to my party yesterday. John told me you had a very bad cold and you had to stay in bed. Are you feeling better now? Are you feeling better now? Vinay, do you understand the letter? Do you really understand
Yes,
the
sir.
letter?
Yes, sir. Are you feeling better now?
Yeah, next one.
I was a very good party.
It was a very good party.
Okay, sir.
Was it?
It was a very good party.
Read it. 45, I told something. You guys have to write it before I switch on to the next one.
Me nicest I have ever bad.
The nicest. The nicest. THE.
The
The nicest I ever had. Keep going. Keep going.
lots of my friends. Me there or they give.
Where there. WERE. WERE.
Where
Yeah.
where there and they give.
47. Write it down. Pamsi and Vinay, write it down. Otherwise, you will forget it. Right? Can you write it down? Do you have pen? Do you have pen and paper? Do you have pen and paper?
So
Do you have pen and paper?
Yes, sir. Taking.
Do you have pen and notebook?
Taking.
Okay. Vinay, can you take it?
okay, sir.
Yeah. Now read the second paragraph.
It was a very good party.
You have to remember what you said. Only one word can fit in.
The
The.
nicest I have.
Yeah, the. Very good. Keep going.
The nicest I have ever had. Lots of my friends were there and they gave.
They gave me. They gave
They,
me.
gi- they gave me some lovely presents.
I will tell you. I will tell you
Uh,
more about the party when you come. When you come. What is 49? I'll be asking you and Vamsi again and again till you get it cleared because it's a so simple exercise. When you come to school, when you come to school on Monday. Now Vinay, read the whole paragraph.
Dear Mike, I am sorry. You example told could not come to my party yesterday. John told me you had a very bad cold and you
Write it. Write it. Because four times
42.
I have told you, you have to write it. If you don't write it, it will be a waste.
Okay, okay.
You
42 something.
you had had you had to stay in bed.
42 what, sir?
42 had HAD.
Had. What?
Complete. Yeah, write the entire paragraph, then only you will remember.
43, sir.
Yeah, 43. Tell me.
If you're feeling better now,
Yeah, Vamsi is saying again. Vamsi. 43.
are
What?
you feeling better now?
R
Are you
R
feeling?
A R E R. That's it. A R E R. Now keep reading, Vamsi. It was
It was a very happy. It was a very good party.
very good party. Yeah, 40, 45. Write it down again.
Had nicest.
The nicest I have ever had. The. Okay,
The
then
nicest I
lots of
have
my friends.
ever had.
Yeah, lots of my
Lots
friends
of my friends are there.
were there because yesterday
Where?
happened. Were there? WERE,
Okay.
and they gave me some lovely presents.
And they Give, need. Yes, sir.
Yeah, keep going.
Need some lovely presents.
They gave me some lovely presents. I will tell you more about the party when you come to school on Friday. Okay, write it down. 41. 41. Told. T-O-L-D. Write it down. 41 told. T-O-L-D. 42.
Had.
H-A-D. Had.
Had.
43. Yeah, 43.
Are.
A-R-E-R. A-R-E-R. 44. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. Very good. 45. D,
D.
T-H-E, D, D. 46. Where,
Where.
W-E-R-E, where, W-E-R-E, where. 47.
Me.
Me, M-E, me, M-E, me. 48. Y-O-U,
You.
Y-O-U-U. 49. T-O-2, T-O-2. 50. On, O-N, on. Now,
Yes, sir.
Vamsi, can you read out the answer alone? What is 41?
41 told.
42.
42 had. 43 are.
43. Super.
Are.
44.
44 A.
Yeah. 45.
45 D.
Super. 46.
Where.
47.
Me.
48.
You.
Superb. 49.
Two. CO2.
50.
On.
Oh, now, Vamsi, can you read those two paragraphs? Dear Mike.